Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can clear your site cookies only, not your entire browsing data, but only the site cookies in the Midori web browser. So let us dive into this. So guys, what you want to do is open up the Midori web browser on your device, and next click into these three lines in the top right and select history and click into clear recent history. Now in that window, guys, what you need to do is make sure that you disable that element here, history, as well as the temporary cached files and pages, and just leave the site cookies and site data enabled or selected as an element of your browsing data. And in the last step, or in the pre-last step, select your time range, like last hour, last 2 hours, 4 hours, today, or everything, and confirm by clicking into clear. That's it. Option number 2, guys, would be to navigate to your browser settings by clicking into that gear icon in the bottom left. And from there, navigate to, let me find it, here on the left-hand side, privacy and security, or privacy and security, depending on how you pronounce it. And here, guys, you will see that section cookies and site data. And you can, for example, give Midori the command to delete cookies and site data whenever you close the Midori web browser by selecting this option. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.